Рядом с озером стоит покрытая брезентом хибара, мастерская кузнеца. Рядом
means nearby or beside. Pronounced
ryah-dom
with a soft
r
and a slightly stressed
ah
sound in.
ryah.
It's an adverbial preposition, indicating the location of something relative to another object. Here, it indicates the location of the hut relative to the lake.
S.
A preposition meaning with or from. Pronounced
S.
a simple
S.
sound. It indicates the relationship between
Рядом
nearby and
озером.
lake, showing the hut's proximity to the lake.
Озером.
Means lake, instrumental case. Pronounced
ah-zye-rahm.
with the stress on the second syllable. The instrumental case is used here to show that the lake is the point of reference for the location of the hut. The ending indicates instrumental case. The basic word is
Озеро.
ozero.
Стоит.
Means stands or is located. Pronounced
стоит.
with the stress on the first syllable. It's a verb in the singular, third person present tense, indicating the hut's state of being.
Покрытая.
Means covered. Pronounced
покрытие.
with the stress on the second syllable. It's the feminine singular past passive participle of the verb
Покрыть.
покryt, to cover, agreeing in gender and number with
Хибара.
hut. It describes the state of the hut.
Брезентом.
Means with tarpaulin or with canvas. Pronounced
Брезентом.
with the stress on the first syllable. It's the instrumental case of
Брезент.
present, tarpaulin, indicating the material used to cover the hut.
Хибара.
Means hut or shack. Pronounced
Хибара.
with the stress on the first syllable. It's a noun, referring to a small, simple dwelling. A dash, used here to indicate an explanation or apposition.
Мастерская.
Means workshop. Pronounced
мастерская.
with the stress on the second syllable. It's a noun, specifying the purpose of the hut.
Кузнеца.
Means of the blacksmith or blacksmiths. Pronounced
Кузнеца.
with the stress on the second syllable. It's the genitive case of
Кузнец.
kuznets, blacksmith, showing possession and specifying the owner of the workshop. Putting it together.
Рядом с озером стоит покрытая брезентом хибара, мастерская кузнеца.
Means near the lake stands a hut covered with tarpaulin. The blacksmith's workshop. It describes the location and nature of a building.